Celeste Lake is right there. Looks like little Yoho Lake. Yeah, it's got that green color. Very nice.
In my last video, we hiked the incredible Iceline Trail, one of the most scenic trails in Yoho National Park. That video showcases the full loop, including how to reach the Celeste Lake Trail Junction. If you haven't seen it yet, I highly recommend you watch that video first as it provides the context for how we got here. The full Iceline Trail loop can be a daunting day hike for some people. The Celeste Lake Trail bisects the Iceline, offering a more direct descent back toward the Yoho Valley, essentially bypassing the western section and a portion of the Little Yoho Valley Trail. You may choose to hike the Iceline clockwise, where you'll face a steeper initial ascent but with immediate views, and a more gradual descent via the Celeste Lake Trail. You can hike the loop counterclockwise for a more gradual ascent, but the views are limited till you reach the Iceline, and you'll end with a steep, knee-pounding descent. We opted for the more traditional clockwise route, following the Iceline Trail to the signpost at the Celeste Lake Trail Junction. And now, it's time to discover what this scenic trail has to offer.
What did we do? Oh, we turned off the trail now. We're following the Celeste Lake Trail because we didn't want to do the entire Iceline to Stanley Mitchell Hut, which it's already 3 o'clock in the afternoon. And that would be a long, long walk back. And I don't want to do that because we've been doing a lot of hiking lately.
The Celeste Lake Trail provides a completely different experience from the exposed alpine landscapes of the Iceline. You'll walk alongside a terminal moraine before descending into subalpine forest.
Go around this rock and see the big glacier.
Back here.
Nope.
I was like, everybody's going your way.
Just so quiet.
Once you reach the open meadows, take a moment to pause, immerse yourself in the solitude, and take in the stunning backdrop of the glacier-clad summits of the President Range.
Shot. Camera. No.
As you continue, the trail turns east, making a large loop through dense subalpine forest with a well-defined path all the way, allowing you to hike at a quicker pace.
Look at this, we got a good clip.
Hikers should take the Celeste Lake Trail if they're feeling unwell or injured and need a gentler way down, or if a sudden change in weather makes the exposed sections of the Iceline too risky to continue. It's also a great option if you want to explore other incredible trails like Twin Falls, or if you're chasing the light and need a faster route back without missing out on stunning scenery like Laughing Falls.
Woo!
From the meadows, stay alert as the trail descends into the forest, where limited visibility and abundant vegetation make this prime bear habitat. To reduce the risk of an encounter, make noise as you hike, talk loudly, clap, or call out regularly to ensure bears are aware of your presence. Traveling in a group of 4 or more hikers is always safer, and carrying bear spray that is easily accessible is recommended.
Making our way. Celeste Lake is right there. Yeah, it's got that green color. Very nice. It's just over there. I'm sure we'll get a better shot.
Celeste Lake, nestled within subalpine forest, its calm waters reflecting the surrounding trees and sky, provides a peaceful atmosphere perfect for resting weary legs, offering hikers a refreshing pause before continuing on the trail. After stopping for that well-deserved break, The trail continues around the lake to another viewpoint, where the striking blue-green water shimmers in the sunlight, contrasting against the dark evergreens, offering one last breathtaking view before heading back into the forest. The final stretch of the Celeste Lake Trail continues its gradual descent through shaded forest, down to the junction with the Little Yoho Valley Trail, towering evergreens lining the path. Continue to make noise to alert any wildlife of your presence on the trail.
Okay, so that was Celeste Lake. That was pretty. And now we are continuing on because we got to meet up with the trail. That leads down to Laughing Falls, and then from Laughing Falls, we got to go all the way back to Takaka. One big loop. I think it's going to be a 16, 17 kilometer day. And a lot of elevation.
Not really.
No?
Not even 700.
Oh, that's not bad.
With all the wind blocks today.
Right.
I mean, it was gradual though.
Yeah.
Like it just kind of kept going and going
And going.
and going. So it felt like it was like a lot, but like.
Wasn't really. Woo!
Totally.
Look at all these flowers.
But,
Look at all the flowers now.
I know, isn't it pretty?
Like, jeez, man. So many flowers in this field.
Gorgeous. Gorgeous.
Gorgeous Georges. Nice.
Like that beetle thing. Flower.
Yeah, pine beetle maybe.
Some of them. So tall.
I know. It's like, I wonder how old. Years old.
Just before reaching the junction, a breathtaking, unnamed lake comes into view, its striking blue waters so vivid and untouched that it feels like a hidden world, far removed from civilization.
We didn't just do a circuit, did we? A circle?
Pretty.
Yeah, it's another one. Yeah. Yeah, I'll take a picture for you. Because your camera's dead. Because your camera's dead. Yours is.
As you gaze across the shimmering water, the landscape serves as a powerful reminder that this is true wilderness, raw and untamed, as if nature has remained unchanged for centuries. It's a place where the wild reigns, and where you are simply a visitor passing through. A short distance beyond the unnamed lake, the roar of the Little Yoho River grows louder, leading you toward a sturdy bridge that spans its rushing waters and marks your approach to the trail junction.
Like that there?
Yeah. Woo! We're not far from the trail
Good.
because it runs along this river. Lovely. Lovely jubbly.
Oh, fucking elevation. I'm dying for this shit.
Once you cross the bridge, it's only a short distance to the junction with the Little Yoho Valley Trail.
Oh, here we go. Here's the trailhead. I know this trailhead well.
As you arrive at the junction where the Celeste Lake Trail meets the Little Yoho Valley Trail, you'll find a signpost offering hikers multiple options to choose from. To the left, the trail continues to Stanley Mitchell Hut, but your path leads to the right as you continue toward the Yoho Valley and spectacular Laughing Falls. The Celeste Lake Trail provides not just a shortcut, but an entirely different perspective of this stunning landscape. If you haven't seen it yet, be sure to check out my full Iceline Trail video for some of the most jaw-dropping scenery in Yoho National Park. And if you enjoyed this journey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more step-by-step hiking videos. See you on the next trail.
GoPro, stop recording.